When I first visited Dr. Ben Talei's Beverly Hills Hair Group website, I was looking for genuine solutions to hair loss. The homepage immediately presents a clean, clinical design, with a strong emphasis on authority and trust. You're greeted by images of Dr. Talei himself, who is clearly the face of the brand. Right from the start, the website tries to position itself as the go-to place for cutting-edge hair restoration treatments. Scrolling down, you find a heavy focus on PRP therapy, follicular unit extraction, FUE, and hairline-lowering surgery. Each treatment section includes basic explanations, but I noticed the descriptions often lean more into promotional language than providing deeper insights or scientific evidence. That said, the site does a great job of presenting before and after galleries. The image quality is high, and most photos look authentic, though a few seem too perfect, which might raise questions for skeptical visitors. The booking system is straightforward, allowing you to request a consultation with just a few clicks. However, there's a noticeable lack of upfront pricing. This could be frustrating for people trying to compare options or budget in advance. It pushes you toward making contact before you have all the info. The About section is one of the stronger parts of the site. Dr. Talei's credentials are impressive, double board certified, with an extensive background in facial plastic surgery. He clearly has a reputation that precedes him, especially in Beverly Hills. But again, the site is very focused on highlighting accolades and press mentions, sometimes at the expense of detailed medical explanations. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another standout feature is the patient testimonials. These aren't just short blurbs, many are long-form stories that include details about the procedures, recovery time, and results. It gives you a better sense of what to actually expect. However, there's no space for user-submitted reviews directly on the site, which could make some people wonder how curated the testimonials are. From a usability standpoint, the mobile version of the site performs well. Pages load quickly, menus are easy to navigate, and there are no annoying pop-ups. However, one drawback is the lack of video content. For a clinic that emphasizes visual results, it's a missed opportunity not to include more walkthroughs or doctor explanations in video format. As for the scientific backing of the treatments, there's minimal reference to published studies or partnerships with research institutions. While that doesn't necessarily mean the treatments aren't effective, it may concern users who want to see more than just visual proof or marketing language. Overall, the site presents a premium, boutique-like experience. It's tailored for people who are likely ready to invest in high-end treatments and trust the reputation of a Beverly Hills surgeon. But if you're someone who needs full transparency or prefers data-driven decision-making, you might find the website a little too curated and lacking in specifics. If you're considering hair restoration and want a high-touch experience, Dr. Ben Talei's clinic seems like a solid choice, especially given the patient stories and aesthetic of the clinic. But if you're early in your research phase, this site may leave you with more questions than answers. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.